Hey crypto kids, welcome back to an emergency video. And why is it an emergency video? Well, first of all, Bitcoin is pumping. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining you why this pump is happening, what you should be on the lookout for. Is this a strong level of resistance? And what did I mention in my previous video? So all of this will be coming up very soon. But guys, if you haven't already liked the video, please make sure to smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell because when emergencies like this happen, you want to be the first to know. So make sure to turn on that notification bell. It's very important. I was actually playing basketball with some friends, and then my phone started buzzing. So I ran up a very steep hill. So that's why I'm a bit exhausted. But Bitcoin is pumping. Now, if I quickly switch over, actually, before I switch over, if you want to be trading this move, then you can head over to the description below. I have two of my personal preferred exchanges. If you use the Bitflex link, you'll be able to participate in future giveaways. And of course, the Bybit link, you'll get a nice deposit bonus. So if you want to be trading this move, then or any future moves, you can go ahead and do that if you'd like. But on my previous video, I just want to share this very quickly because I mentioned this just, I think it was exactly 22 hours ago. So let's have a look what I said. Just sum it up again. I think a short-term pump is possible from the level that we're at back up to this moving average at around $27,300, and then I think we can dip back down towards 25,200. So basically some more context on that. If you go ahead and watch further into the video, I also discussed about the MACD on the daily time frame actually crossing towards the upside. So that happened, right? So we had a bullish crossover on the MACD. Again, I talked about on yesterday's video, and also in addition to that, I discussed about a double bottom situation. And if we broke this neckline at 26,600, I would be opening a long, but I was a bit busy swimming and playing basketball, so that didn't happen. But if you did decide to do that, then massive congratulations. Of course, nothing in this video is financial advice, just my personal TA only. Take this information, combine it with your own analysis, and come to your own conclusion. If you did that and won, then massive congrats to you. Make sure to let me know in the comments section below. So Bitcoin is pumping. But if you realized in the video, I discussed that this moving average would be where we come to. And that's where we did come to exactly this blue moving average over there. That's the 30-period moving average on the weekly. And I said that we would most likely see some level of resistance right over there. As you can see, that is what is happening. We are seeing perfect resistance here. So I do believe that this news, of course, this is the news that caused the markets to rally. And let me dive into this a bit more. What is this exactly? So Grayscale, you may know Grayscale. You may be already familiar with GBTC, and you may be wondering, doesn't Grayscale already have a Bitcoin ETF? What is this news? Well, it's not a Bitcoin ETF. GBTC is a trust. Now, the difference between an ETF and a trust is a trust is a bit more closed, right? ETF gives a lot more exposure to institutions, for institutional companies to invest. So that's why an ETF is actually much better compared to a trust. And basically, there was a trial going on between Grayscale and the SEC, and I believe Grayscale won. This is just very recent news. Now, the ETF isn't launched yet because they won, I believe. That's why the ETF may be launching soon. So it's not out yet, just to clarify. The ETF isn't available to trade at the moment, but it looks like it will be very soon. And that is the reason why we are seeing this Bitcoin pump. Now, I think it is short term. Let's see. I think this SMA 30-period moving average will likely gain some resistance. If not, then $28,200 at this moving average over there can give us that resistance. But it looks like we are already a little bit overextended. So this daily was a very nice. I mean, this double bottom that we discussed in the previous video, alongside, of course, the MACD crossover right over there was beautiful. So yesterday's video was just very nice. So again, massive congratulations if you did decide to get on a trade over there. So that is the reason why Bitcoin is pumping. I hope that does provide some clarity over there. Quickly looking at the S&P 500, the S&P is actually continuing to go up, which is pretty surprising after the Fed chair's speech regarding, of course, tighter monetary policy. So this is a little unexpected, to be honest, but it's good. Of course, we want the markets to go up. It looks like this head and shoulders pattern is now invalidated, which is perfect for the S&P 500. So with Bitcoin, let's see. Let's wait and see. I think I mentioned a couple of videos ago, I think until the first quarter of 2024, until all the ETFs get approved, the halving comes about, I think we will just trade within this range. Oops, that's very badly drawn. The range between I'll pulsate very quickly. I think $25,900 to $31,000 will be the range that we will be in for until the first half of 2024. September is known to be a volatile month. So let's have a look. But yeah, this is a very good win for the short term for Bitcoin. So again, that is of course very, very nice. But guys, thank you so much for watching. That was just a quick emergency update on what's happening on the markets. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Take care, everyone, and see you all in the next video very soon. Take care, guys, and bye-bye.